If your books feel like a junk drawer, today we're doing a bookkeeping cleanup that actually sticks. Pattern interrupt. Stop categorizing harder. Start proving the balances. I'm a CPA and I review messy books for a living. What you learn, what to fix first, the 3 reconciliations that matter, how to handle uncategorized plus duplicates, what docs you need for review. Step by step, lock the period dates you're fixing. Don't fix while new stuff is flowing in. Reconcile bank plus credit cards. If those don't tie, nothing else matters. Scan uncategorized plus ask my accountant. Batch it. Review AR plus AP aging for nonsense, old ghost invoices/bills. Clean the chart of accounts. Merge duplicates, stop random new accounts. Do a quick P&L flux check. What's way up and down versus last period? One client had meals tripled because the bank feed duplicated rules. Another had a $38,000 undeposited funds balance. It was just payments never matched to deposits. Reviewer notes, what I look for. Bank recs with no unclear detail equals red flag. Big uncategorized ask my accountant balances. Negative AR or AP. Undeposited funds not clearing monthly. Suspense accounts growing every month. Supporting docs, bank, CC statements, rec reports, AR, AP aging, loan statements. Quick checklist, freeze the date range, backup, export reports, reconcile all cash, CC, clear duplicates, batch categorize, uncategorized, tie AR to aging, tie AP to aging, clear undeposited funds, review payroll liabilities, COA merge, rename, P&L flux scan. Drop a comment with what account is your junk drawer. If this sounds like your close process, you're not alone. Like plus subscribe, and if you need structure for account level review findings and resolution, that's what tools like Xenett are built around.